Hi boys and girls, welcome back. This week we are going to be doing some review work with pennies and dimes. We worked at school with pennies and dimes, so this should be a review, but quickly let's go through what they're each worth. So a penny is worth 1 cent, and the way we can abbreviate that is we write the number 1 and the cent sign. And when we were in class, we talked about the cent sign. It's a little C with a vertical line going through it. And when we show our work a lot of times in our journals, we just write the letter P. And then we're going to be talking about dimes. And dimes are worth 10 cents each. And when we write it, we write the numbers 10 with our cent symbol. And when we do our work in our journal, we write a letter D. Now be careful, because if you're writing a P and a D, you have to make sure that I can tell the difference between the letters, because a lot of times some friends will get sloppy with their work and I can't tell if that's a P or a D, if you mean penny or dime. So make sure that your handwriting is very neat when you're showing your work. So this week's going to be a little bit of fun. We're going to be going shopping. So in my shopping basket here, I have some different food. I have pretzels and hot chocolate, popcorn, some peanut butter, a pop, some soup, and some mac and cheese. And today, when I go to the store, I've decided that I want to buy some popcorn, some peanut butter, and some macaroni and cheese. So I want to find out how much money I would need to buy all 3 of these items. So on my popcorn, I can see that the popcorn is going to cost me 21 cents. So my first item is going to be 21 cents. And to show my work, I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to break it down how many dimes and pennies. So 21 cents, I know that I'm going to need 2 dimes and 1 penny. My second item that I want to buy is peanut butter. And my peanut butter is going to be 35 cents to buy. So I'm going to show my work. I'm going to list my item. And then I'm going to break it down so it's easy for me to count. I'm going to do my addition. 35 cents, 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to move to pennies. I need 5 of them. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And the last item I want to buy is macaroni and cheese, and you can see the price tag shows 42 cents. So my third item is going to be 42 cents to buy. So I'm going to use my dimes first, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm switching to pennies in my ones digit. 41, 42. So I know how many cents each of my 3 items are, but I want to know how much I'm going to give to the cashier to buy them. So whenever we count money, one of the first things we need to think about is that we always start with the larger coin. So when I'm looking at penny and dimes, I know that a dime is worth more. So I'm going to start with those first. And just to show my thinking and kind of keep myself organized, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle all of my dimes, all of my 10-cent pieces, all my dimes. Then I'm going to take another color and I'm going to circle all my pennies, just to keep myself organized. I'm going to start counting with my dimes because they're worth more. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now I'm going to count my pennies. So I'm at 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So I know that it's going to be 98 cents to buy my 3 items at the store today. Now, in your practice pages, There is going to be some graphics of things at the school supply store that you can buy, and they're all going to have price tags on it, and you're going to get to go shopping and pick 3 items. And I want to see your work, how you found out how much money the 3 items are going to cost you. Now, I encourage you to do your practice pages and send your first grade teacher pictures, but I also encourage you to set up your own store at your house and maybe play grocery store or school supply store with your family. Maybe use some practice money. Maybe moms and dads can put some money change on the table and you can do some counting of change on the table and play with real money. So this week, I hope you have fun shopping and we'll see you soon.